Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 10 beautiful ways to say happy anniversary. Number 1, happy milestone. It means celebrating an important relationship achievement. Example, happy milestone. You've come so far together. Number 2, cheers to your love. It means celebrating the relationship. Example, cheers to your love and many more years. Number 3, wishing you many more years together. It means hoping the relationship continues happily. Example, wishing you many more years together, Sarah and Tom. May your bond grow even stronger. Number 4, here's to another year of togetherness. It means celebrating continued partnership. Example, here's to another year of togetherness and joy. Number 5, celebrating your love today. It focuses on honoring the relationship. Example, celebrating your love today and always. Number 6, happy years of love and laughter. It highlights happiness in the relationship. Example, happy years of love and laughter to you both. Number 7, may your bond grow stronger. It means wishing continued growth in the relationship. Example, may your bond grow stronger with each passing year. Number 8, another year, another beautiful chapter. It compares relationship to a story. Example, another year, another beautiful chapter in your love story. Number 9, warm wishes on your special day. It's a general heartfelt anniversary wish. Example, warm wishes on your special day, Priya and Raj. Congratulations on another lovely anniversary. Number 10, to love, laughter, and forever. It celebrates long-lasting love. Example, to love, laughter, and forever, happy anniversary. Now you can wish happy anniversary in a more natural way. Use one of these phrases next time you celebrate. Bye for now, and see you in the next video.